the great creator. Allah has given these tiny bees a magical language that still remains a big mystery, even to modern science. Just imagine if you could silently communicate, using only dance and body movements, the exact location of a flower kilometers away, including the precise angle relative to the sun. This special language of bees is not made of words. Rather, it is a precise combination of body vibrations and an incredible dance mechanism. When a bee discovers a new source of flowers far away, it immediately returns to the hive to share this magical information with others. Inside the dark interior of the hive, this extraordinary communication begins. The successful bee stands on a vertical surface or a so-called dance floor and alerts its companions. This is a special type of dance known in science as the waggle dance. It looks like a figure-8 pattern. At the beginning of the dance, the bee pauses briefly. Then it starts shaking its abdomen rapidly. This intense movement is powered by its strong flight muscles, which generate extra energy. From the bee's abdomen, waves of vibration spread in all directions. Under a microscope, you can see how different parts of its body move smoothly and rapidly. During the straight part of the figure-8, the bee moves forward while wagging its body from side to side. At the same time, its wings vibrate rapidly, producing special sound waves. The scent of the discovered flowers is also carried by the bee and passed on as a signal to others. The surrounding bees use their antennae to analyze these vibrations, sounds, and smells with great precision. Even in complete darkness, they can interpret these signals clearly. The first and most important information in the dance is direction. This is determined relative to the position of the sun. If the bee moves straight upward during the waggle run on the vertical surface, it means the other bees should fly directly toward the sun. But if the dance is angled to the left or right, that angle represents the direction of the flower. For example, if the waggle run is 90 degrees to the right of the vertical line, the other bees understand that they should keep the sun on their left and fly 90 degrees to the right. The bee's tiny brain processes this directional information very precisely. Its nervous system creates special electrical signals to store this data. Since the sun moves throughout the day, bees continuously adjust their calculations using an internal biological compass. The second key piece of information is distance. The bee indicates how far the flowers are through the duration of the waggle dance. If the waggle is short, the flowers are nearby. If it lasts longer, the flowers are farther away. A simple rule is, about 1 second of waggle corresponds to roughly 1 kilometer of distance. The energy signals from its muscles help define this timing, and other bees record it precisely, using their antennae, almost like a built-in stopwatch.